there, Lindsay here, the Frugal Crafter. I have a bit of a random video for you today, and I wish I'd gotten it out earlier, but it's been really crazy. And I'd even forgotten what this was when it arrived, but the nice folks over at the Hobby Hop, who they're starting this business and they're trying to kind of make use of craft supply waste, so like overstock things and whatnot, and put together subscription boxes and design projects so people can have kind of like a little craft day arriving to their house every month. The boxes, I just checked on their website, the boxes are $49 a piece if you buy them by the month, or if you get a subscription, I think they drop down to about $40. But then there's flat rate shipping, which is about $6 or $7.50. I think it's just like a flat rate shipping fee. So I think it was like 56 something if you were to order just one box. I wanted to check that out before I unboxed it. So, you know, it's a little pricey, but I like the sustainability of it, and I said I'll take a look at one and see what I think. So you can see too, and maybe it's something you're interested in, maybe it's not, but you don't know unless you look, right? It came in this box here, and this is how it was shipped, so there was no external box that this was in, which I see a lot of subscription boxes doing, and I can kind of see why they do that, because you know, some people like to collect the boxes and whatnot, but I can also see why you wouldn't, because it's kind of annoying to have like 2 or 3 boxes just from one order. This is a little, the little booklet about their box, and this was the April box, so it's about Earth Day and Earth Month, which is kind of goes with the whole ethos of their company. And in here, it looks like there's some project ideas. Oh, those are really cute. Those little looks like little dolls, little altered art dolls. So yeah, they've got a few ideas and projects that you can try. They sent me a card. I actually peeked at the card to make sure there wasn't anything that I couldn't share. I think that's the owner's artwork on there. And they are sharing a coupon code for 15% off your first box. So if you want to use that coupon code, it's frugal15. And I will put that in the video description. I'm not getting a kickback or anything. I just thought I liked the idea of there being a company that's making use of all of the waste, basically, because I know when I buy, like if it's a project that a craft I'm not into yet, sometimes I buy a bunch of things to just try this project, and then I have all this left over. So, I mean, that's not great if you're not going to use it again, right? Or I can imagine the amount of waste that the craft industry generates with, you know, they produce stuff for sale and then a bunch of it doesn't sell. They've got all the overstock. So yeah, I think that's kind of neat. So let's see what else we have in here. I don't know if the box is more geared towards like family crafting, adults at craft, or kids at craft. I have a feeling it might be more of like a family craft situation. Like, it might be nice if you've got kids or grandkids and you want to do a project with them where you don't have to house a ton of supplies, because, you know, if you've been crafting for a while, you end up with a lot of stuff because you save the leftovers. You don't throw them away. You save them and use them for different things. Oh, we got Loctite super glue. I've never tried that brand. I hope it's good. Oh, it's an interesting bottle. No smell. I think you probably have to pierce it to make it go. Have to sniff it. Sniffing glue over here. Ooh, these are cool. I wonder if those are safe to take on an airplane. I'm about to leave for France pretty soon. That's neat. I've never had these little collapsible scissors, but that's cool. I don't think I'll try it, because if I take it and I lose it, I'll be sad. That's kind of neat. You got this little muslin pouch that you can reuse for a gift or something. Maybe something you'd make here. You'd make a gift and you'd reuse it. Let's see. It looks like some paint markers here. So we have acrylic paint markers in red, gold, blue, and silver. Oh, they don't need to be shaken up. Maybe they don't need to be primed. Let's swatch them right here on the box. Oh, that's nice and opaque. Oh, very little smell. Is it a fine? It's a bullet and a brush. And of course, gold on brown is not going to show up as well. That's fine. I just didn't press very good. I don't want you to think it wasn't very well done. I heard Posca markers is kind of like the big thing right now with the kids, so this might be nice if you've got teenagers or kids you want to, oh, that's nice and opaque, you want to work with. I don't know this brand. Capoufli, looks like Capoufli. I don't know, I've never used that brand before, but the markers all work, and it looks like a nice matte finish. And we've got this little pot. Ooh, mini rose grow kit. Oh, so I guess, oh, how sweet. You could decorate the pot and then plant it. What a nice Mother's Day gift or something. Or Father's Day gift. Those are sweet. I hope they grow. I have a black thumb, but I love stuff like that. I used to do all these little projects with the kids where we'd get either the kit that was pre-planted that you just have to water, or you would decorate a pot and then plant something. Always to varying degrees of success, but that's really cute. And let's see what's in here. We've got a little pillow box. Now, this is craft, so you can decorate that and reuse it for a gift. So I like that. Oh, this is neat. Let's see. I want to put this on something so we can see what's in here. Oh, this is for like their little altered doll that was in the booklet. Can you see that there? There's like a couple little altered dog and a little altered person. I love that aesthetic. That was so big, like back around 2000 when I was really just starting to get into stamping a lot. So we got some baker's twine. We got some like little, I think it's like a little resin or plastic gear. We got some random beads. How cute. And little things to make your little people or dogs or whatever. Oh, that's neat. I don't know what you know what? I think they used the body. I think they used that body, and they probably drew the faces on these things. Oh, that's kind of neat. That could be a body piece too. Okay, just a random amount of beads and stuff. Now, of course, if you've been crafting for a while, you totally could pull this stuff from your own stash, I'm sure. I know I've got very similar stuff, but I never thought to kind of put it together like that, so that's kind of neat. I had this big bag of like bead sweepings, because I was reorganizing all of my beads, and there was stuff that I'm just like, oh, you find all these like just dregs, and it's like, oh, do I want to sort all these by color? Nope, they're going in a big Ziploc for now for when I have more mental fortitude. But, so that's a cute little project. This is giving me great ideas for like my library craft things. I haven't done a kids one in a while, and something like this would be really fun. Let's see, the string. Oh, you know what? The string came off really good from that thing, so the string can be reused. I like that. I do like the reusable aspect of this. And I've opened other art supply boxes that are in the $50 price range, so I don't have high hopes because I know like how many people have to get paid in order for an art box to come out, but this has been pretty cool. Again, the bag can be reused. And this, oh, this is a macrame project. I've never done, well, no, I did do a macrame plant hanger. You know, just kind of my own little design, but, oh, that's neat. So we've got, I gotta look back at the brochure to see what that is. It looks like a comb, but I'm sure it's got something fancy to do. Oh, the macrame instructions there. Oh, and that's what you end up with. You end up with a rainbow. Well, that's kind of cute. That's kind of cute for kids to do. Oh, neat. Yeah, I mean, actually, the Upcycle Challenge, that's what those little faces were from. Oh, that's very cool. Okay. Oh, so this right here is for the Upcycle Challenge. So that's why this is so random, because everyone's going to make something different and then share it with hashtag hobbyhoppers and hashtag earthbox2024. Okay, that's kind of neat. So I wonder if they do an Upcycle Challenge in every one of their boxes, because that's kind of fun. I'm going to have to look at that hashtag because I'd be curious to see what people made. So everything's got instructions. A tiny little rose pot, just decorate however you want. Basket weaving. Okay, we haven't got to the basket weaving. So that's neat. This is for brushing out the hairs on this after you unwind it a bit. Oh, neat. That's very neat. That's cute. That's really cute. I have one of my daughters really loves macrame type things. And my other daughter likes to knit, so I hope they both actually would enjoy this. And let's see. So the Loctite glue must go with the Upcycle Challenge. Or maybe you'd use that on the macrame. I bet you could probably also use it to seal your ends on the macrame. Alright. So here we have, oh, basket. Oh my gosh. I've done this with the kids before. So you've got some raffia twine here. and you've got this die cut where you fold up the pieces of cardboard. And we did this. We made May baskets with the kids once, and I think we took paper cups and we cut slits on the paper cups, and then we wound yarn around it, and we made little baskets like that. And that was so much fun. Or sometimes we would, like, if I was doing this in the classroom, I'd have the kids all save their milk from their hot lunch, and I'd have like I'd ask them to save them for a couple days, that way for kids, if kids don't get hot lunch, we'd still have enough of those containers, and we do the same thing. Or sometimes we would glue tissue paper to it. So then what you would do is you would weave this around, and you'd end up with a cute little basket when you were done. Oh, that's neat. That's neat. Well, you know what? Even if this isn't a box for you, there's still some really nice ideas to get from this, and I really love the idea that they are going to embrace the sustainability of it, because I think a lot of subscription boxes are kind of the opposite, where it's a lot of excess, and you get stuff every month and you don't know what you're going to get, and then you're stuck with either duplicates of things you already have or stuff you're never going to use. But something like this, it seems like it's like a craft kit for families, and if you've got young kids, I could see this occupying one of my daughters for an hour, just decorating, making a cute little design on the plant pot and then watering it. I could see this occupying them for, well, my girls are 19 now, but when they were like early teens, I could see them totally digging that. And I think something like this, I mean, this would be easy enough that if you wanted to, if you had, like, say you had 3 kids or 2 kids, you could trace this out on the box and cut that out with scissors. Probably not with these. You probably want something, or a craft knife. I'd do a craft knife. And then you could double it. You could make extras. These you'd have to cut off from another piece and then glue on. But you could make this into like 3 projects just with your box, and then have some extra things to share. So obviously I'm just looking at one box here. And I haven't seen any others, but I think this is kind of cool. And if you want to check it out and see what other things they are offering, you can check out their website. I will link to it because I Googled it and I couldn't find it. I had to use, actually, you know what? I will put it down below, but if you wanted to take a picture of this while I hold it still on the screen, you could do that, and that will take you right to the website with this, this project, and it will tell you a little bit more about it. And as always, if it's something that you would find useful, check it out. If not, no worries. I think it's fun to see what different companies are doing. And I also like to give props to companies that are really thinking about reducing the waste in our industry, because the craft industry can be terribly wasteful. But this looks like a great solution for that. And I think it's kind of well thought out and fun. And I like that they're not gouging on shipping, which a lot of companies will add like $15, $20 just for shipping, and they're just doing the flat rate price, which is like about $7. So, so yeah, not bad. And everything worked. I mean, the glue, I don't know if I should open it. To puncture nozzle, turn cap until clicking sound stops. Okay. I've never used this brand. Let's see. Is this what we do? Oh, we squeeze. Whoa, this is easy to squeeze. Loctite super glue. Look at that. And it's kind of gel. It's got like a gel consistency. Oh, that's neat. That's very cool. Okay, I'm going to cap that up though so I don't, and it locks right on. I'm wondering, that squeezes so easy. I wonder if they put that in there because they know kids and maybe older folks would be using that. I like that. That's adaptable. It's adaptable. It's earth friendly. I like it. The quality seems pretty decent, and I like that all their packaging can be reused. I mean, even the tissue paper, and you can trace that on the box. So it's a new company. I wish them the best, and I want to thank them for sending me this so I could share it with you. And yeah, go check them out if it looks like something that you'd be interested in. I think it's going to be mostly the most useful to families that want to craft together, parents that want to, maybe if they're homeschoolers, want to bring some crafting into their their kids' lives. People that don't want to stockpile a bunch of craft materials and just do crafts a couple times. Like you could do, let's see how many there's. 1, 2, 3, 4 craft projects here. So you could do a craft project a week, and then you could reuse the markers for other things. And yeah, I would trace that out and keep it as a template in case you want to do it again. I think that's neat. I think for, you know, but let's count the price with shipping. That'll be about $56. So that's going to be about $13 a craft. I don't think that's bad to do a little activity with your kids each week. And, you know, obviously glue can be used again, scissors can be used forever, markers can be used again. You'll enjoy growing the pot there, growing the little mini rose. And then you have the decorations that can be used for other things. You can use that basket to store craft supplies when you're done. Yeah, I think that's kind of neat. I think they've got a great idea, and I hope that they have success with it and can keep reducing the waste and bringing value to the customers. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it's not a tutorial video or anything really earth-shattering, but I think it's kind of neat. And you know what I'm probably going to do is I'm probably going to pass this along to a family with young kids so they can do the crafts. I think that makes more sense than me doing this on camera because my audience isn't generally looking for kids crafts here, and it's pretty self-explanatory. So I'm going to do that, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy crafting. Bye.